Welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm gonna give you some update about passport services. So during the pandemic, as you know, that passport services were uh, allowed only for very urgent reasons and urgent travel, sometimes even less than 2 days. But now the services are gonna be expanded, and as you can see that in this official page from the government of Canada, passport service in Canada resuming by mail and by appointment for travel in less than 30 days. So starting today, Canadians can apply for a passport by mail. If Canadians have an immediate need for a passport or traveling in less than 30 days with proof of travel, they can request in-person appointments. Applicants can visit Canada.ca passport and more about and find out how to apply. If Canadians do not have travel plans, we ask that they wait before applying for a passport. Processing times are definitely expected to be higher because a lot of people are gonna jump in now, and also the government is gonna take care of additional measures in order to protect the health of employees and customers. I mean their clients for sure. So this is what it is, guys. So if we see the codes, resuming Canadian passport services by mail and expanding in-person appointments for those who need a passport in less than 30 days is a significant first step towards resuming regular passport service in Canada. So definitely this is a good thing, and you can see this statement is from the Honorable Marco Medicino, Minister of Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship. So this is really good. Now why I'm bringing this with some importance over here, because now Service Canada is gonna accept passport requests. Okay, one more thing that is very important for not only for Canadian citizens but for others is like biometrics. Now because passport services has been resumed, of course with some condition, we hope so. I hope specifically that biometrics will be started soon, but of course there's no communication about it. But it will be interested to see that how it will be. It will be very interesting because first of all, a lot of people are waiting for biometrics. IRCC offices have opened across Canada. I mean they are gradually opening and they are processing applications. We see some positive results going on. So once these biometric centers open, hopefully things will resume better. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything comes to mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you, guys.